Hello and welcome to Annescapes Urban Gardening. This is Melissa and I am just so excited about today's project. This is the front property. I just finished installing mulch and these three beautiful Golden Globe Arborvitaes. Behind the Arborvitaes are Cleara. I just installed the third one, which is the smallest one. But these two were planted last year in 2019, and this is the result during the spring when they just bloomed out. And so they're going to turn like almost a dark maroonish color this fall. Some of the leaves have already purposed. So I'm just excited. I just completed this project this morning. A couple of Japanese maples are there. The emerald green arborvitae, and these are the lantanas that are bordering the front of this garden. And the red foliage that you see are coleus, campfire coleus. They're turning nice and orange. This is Melissa with Annescapes Urban Gardening. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. Have a great day.